how to make a new playlist on Spotify on PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a new playlist on Spotify app on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been wondering on how you can basically go ahead and then open the Spotify app on your PS5 so that you can just go ahead and then basically create a new playlist, can you do that? As you can see, I have the Spotify app opened up, and now if I just go to the Your Library tab, which is at the very top of the screen here, even if I go to Your Library, you will only be able to see a list of playlists that I have personally created myself and not the ones that other people, or maybe what kind of playlist that I might want to create. Now one thing you can do is, maybe while you are listening to a specific song, you can just go ahead and then basically choose to add this song to your playlist over here. But if you want to go ahead and then basically actually create a new playlist, you will not be able to do so unless you use it from a mobile phone. So the Spotify app on our PlayStation console is really quite limited, so you need to understand that as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can make a new Spotify playlist on PS5. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.